In this video, we will show you how to replace your master window switch on this Nissan Maxima. This will be attached to the inside of your front door. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Along where the grab handle is, you're going to find that you have a plastic trim panel that we're going to remove. For this, it's easiest if you use a small pocket screwdriver to break it free. We'll just make our way right down in this area, gently pry it away. Just a quick inspection of that, you can see several locking tabs making their way all the way up and across. This looks like it's still reusable. We'll set it aside. Behind where that trim panel was, you're going to find a small push clip. To remove the push clip, carefully start dislodging the center to unlock it, and you can remove the outer portion. I'm just continuing on with my small pocket screwdriver. You can also use a small trim tool if necessary. Just pull that right out of place. That's what it looks like in the unlocked position. Now we'll start removing our window switch panel. For this, I'm going to start gently prying along the forward area here. We're continuing with our small pocket screwdriver. You can also use a trim tool. Just go ahead and start separating that. It should roll up and out of place. Keep in mind there are two wiring harnesses attached to the bottom of this that we will have to dislodge. Now looking at these electrical connectors, you should find that you have a small locking tab that you're going to need to depress, and then you should be able to pull this out of place. The larger ones right here, just press that in. Every time you disconnect an electrical connector, a quick inspection for corrosion. This looks fine. Let's continue on. This one has a push tab as well. Just want to go ahead and press that in. Pull that off. Quick inspection. Now continuing from here, we're going to have to dislodge the switch from its mounting panel. Looking along each side of the switch, you're going to find that it has two locking tabs. We're continuing with our small pocket screwdriver. Carefully make your way in between the locking tabs, and you can gently pry in one direction or the other while applying some light pressure, pulling the switch outward. While holding pressure there, we'll continue on to our next locking clips. We should be able to continue on rolling this out of position. You can see it's starting to dislodge here. We'll pause on this side. Have a look along the other side. Same exact thing here. Go ahead and pry, slight pressure, pull it out and away. There it is, friend. We'll just give this a quick inspection and we can set it aside. All right, let's prepare to install our window switch. When installing the window switch, make sure we have all the switches aligned with their corresponding ports. We're just going to take this, we'll align it. Once everything's aligned, you should find that all four of your locking tabs align as well. Now we'll just gently press this down into position and listen for an audible click from each locking tab. Okay, didn't hear one over here. That sounds good. Make your way around the entire window switch, double checking to make sure it's properly locked in. We do not want this falling out when it comes time to functioning your windows. Let's get our window switch panel back in place. We're going to start with the electrical connectors for these. Just go ahead and line them up, press them in, listen for a click. A light tug. Now we'll start getting this into position. We're going to roll it into position, starting with the area closest to the armrest. We want to bring that in first. Now I'm going to press down on the forward end here. You should hear an audible click locking it down. Inside of this area, we have the area for our push pin. You want to make sure you have it in the unlocked position. Once you slide in the outer portion, lock it in by pressing in on the center. Let's get this protective panel in place. Just go ahead and line it up, press it in, listen for a click all the way around. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our window switch. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and test the functionality. Put the key in the on position, make sure everything functions as it should. And of course you'd want to test all of the windows. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.